Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's close to all of our hearts: reliability. That's why we're counting down the top 10 most reliable cars of 2025, based on expert analysis and data from Cars.com. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly sedan, a rugged SUV, or a sporty coupe, we've got you covered. We'll be taking a close look at these automotive gems, exploring their reliability scores, discussing their pros and cons, and giving you the inside scoop on what makes them stand out from the crowd. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 10 is a true icon of reliability, the Toyota Corolla. This car has been a staple of dependability for decades, and the 2025 model year is no exception. Known for its bulletproof engine and transmission, the Corolla just keeps going and going. The 2025 model boasts some impressive updates, including a redesigned interior with upgraded materials and the latest tech features. So whether you're a student looking for their first car, a commuter seeking a reliable ride, or just someone who values peace of mind, the Toyota Corolla remains a top contender in the reliability game. Coming in at number 9 is another automotive legend known for its unwavering dependability, the Honda Civic. Year after year, the Civic consistently earns top ratings for reliability from both experts and owners alike. Honda has always prioritized simplicity and durability in its designs, resulting in a car that's built to last. Whether you opt for the sporty Sci model or the practical hatchback version, the Honda Civic continues to be a shining example of automotive excellence and dependability. At number 8, we're shifting gears to the world of luxury SUVs with the Lexus GX. This rugged yet refined vehicle offers the best of both worlds: unparalleled off-road capability paired with a luxurious and comfortable interior. Underneath its stylish exterior lies a robust chassis and a powerful engine that can handle even the toughest driving conditions. So, if you're looking for a luxurious SUV that can tackle your next adventure without breaking a sweat, the Lexus GX is a compelling choice that won't let you down. Number 7 on our list proves that reliability doesn't have to come at the expense of fun. The Mazda MX-5 Miata, with its legendary status as a driver's car, is also surprisingly reliable. So if you're looking for a car that puts a smile on your face every time you get behind the wheel and you don't want to sacrifice reliability, the Mazda MX-5 Miata is the perfect blend of fun and dependability. Coming in at number 6 is a car that's synonymous with adventure and all-weather capability, the Subaru Outback. Known for its standard all-wheel drive and rugged build quality, the Outback can handle anything Mother Nature throws its way. So whether you're navigating snowy mountain passes or just cruising around town, the Subaru Outback offers the peace of mind that comes with knowing you'll arrive at your destination safely and reliably. At number 5, we have a relative newcomer that's quickly making a name for itself in the reliability department, the Kia Telluride. This stylish and spacious three-row SUV has taken the automotive world by storm, and its reliability ratings are just as impressive as its design. With its impressive warranty and commitment to quality, the Kia Telluride is a top contender in the family SUV segment, offering peace of mind and a premium driving experience. Sliding into the number 4 spot is another value-packed winner, the Hyundai Elantra. This stylish and affordable sedan proves that you don't have to break the bank to get a reliable and well-equipped car. With its combination of style, value, and dependability, the Hyundai Elantra continues to be a compelling choice for those seeking a reliable and affordable sedan, without compromising on features or driving dynamics. At number 3, we're kicking things up a notch with the iconic Ford Mustang. This legendary muscle car has been turning heads and setting hearts racing for decades, and the latest iteration is no exception. Ford has made significant strides in improving the reliability of its iconic pony car in recent years. It's a thrilling blend of performance, style, and surprisingly good dependability. Coming in at number 2 is a game-changer in the electric vehicle market, the Chevrolet Bolt EV. This compact electric car has been turning heads with its impressive range, affordability, and surprisingly spacious interior. Electric vehicles are still relatively new to the market, but the Bolt has consistently proven itself to be a dependable and efficient mode of transportation. So, if you're looking to make the switch to electric and want a car that's both eco-friendly and reliable, the Chevrolet Bolt EV is definitely worth a closer look. And finally, our number 1 pick for the most reliable car of 2025 is none other than the BMW 3 Series. This legendary sports sedan has long been known for its exceptional handling, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge technology. But in recent years, BMW has also stepped up its game in the reliability department. So, if you're looking for a car that delivers an unparalleled driving experience without sacrificing reliability, the BMW 3 Series is the ultimate choice. So there you have it, our top 10 picks for the most reliable cars of 2025. Whether you prioritize fuel efficiency, practicality, performance, or a combination of everything, there's a car on this list that's sure to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments which car is your favorite. See you in the next one.